At EcoIO, our team believes that knowledge is power. We have embraced and focused our business model around the Internet of Things. That's why we built a platform capable of measuring not just energy, but practically any resource your business consumes or generates, so that you can use data-driven decisions about your operation, all while understanding and mitigating risk. The technician simply installs our hardware into each circuit breaker you would like to have integrated, and then syncs the hardware with our software in the platform. Installation and implementation into our platform can typically be completed within the same day. Our team will work directly with you to personalize each layout so that you get the most visibility into your operation as possible. With up to the second precision, our resource management platform can now measure not just power, voltage, and amperage, but now irradiance, cell and ambient temperature, pressure, humidity, or any other metric that is important to you in one single platform. Once you are satisfied with the look and feel of your layout and trained to navigate the platform on your own, we encourage you to implement alerts to understand and mitigate risk, download reports into CSV files to segment the data as you see fit, and make strategic decisions on the optimization of your operation. It's time to take your business to the next level, so flow in the right direction with EcoIO.